To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below. Hello, welcome to the Letter Mysteries. I am so excited to get started because I have a problem. I have lost all the letters in my city and now I can't read and I can't write and I just don't remember them. So I need your help because there are a lot of sneaky little ninjas that have stole my letters. Do you think you can help me find them? You do? We are going to go on a bunch of adventures. We're going to find the letters. We're going to get them stuck inside of our brain so that nobody else can ever steal them ever again. So the very first thing that we're going to do is that to find letters, we have to listen for sounds. Do you think you can listen for the sounds? You do? Well, I have a friend. Would you like to meet him? You would? His name is Sound Monster. For him to come, you have to say, Sound Monster. And he's the one that's going to give us all of our clues. As we come to my detective's office, he'll always have a clue. Should we call for him? Let's see if he's got one. Sound Monster. Sound Monster. Whew, there he is. Hi, Sound Monster. How are you? I'm doing very well. How are you? I'm doing fantastic. I'm really glad you're here because I was just telling these new detectives that we have a adventure that we need to go on and we need to find some clues to find our letters. Can you help us? I sure can, but this first one, we have to go to the forest. The forest? All right, put your imagination caps on. Do you have yours on? Okay, who are we looking for? We are looking for Max the monkey. All right, let's go. Looking for Max the monkey. Looking for Max the monkey. I see Max the monkey. Can you go get the clue for us? I sure can. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Did you find the clue? You did. Max the monkey gave us a clue. Now, what did he say about the clue? He said that you need to listen for the sound to unlock the letter. Do you guys think you can listen for the sound? Okay, thanks, Mr. Monster. We'll see you next time. Every time you hear the sound, I want you to pat your head. Max the monkey lost his map. Now he's lost. Don't worry. He found an ice cream museum. He made some mischief. Monkeys aren't allowed to eat ice cream at the museum. Did you tap your head a lot? That was a silly story. Max the monkey, he's always getting into trouble. Max the monkey, he lost his map. I found a map. Do you think this is Max the monkey's map? You do? This is the letter M. Its name is M. Can you say M? Way to go. That's its name. Let's say its sound. What's its sound? What are my lips doing? Mine are coming together. What are my teeth doing? They kind of bite my lips. What's my tongue doing? It kind of goes to the back of my throat. What's my voice box doing? It's vibrating. That means it is using my voice to make the sound. This one goes on forever. That was a lot of breath. This is the letter M. Now, let's learn my actions. Are you ready for my actions? Because I have a secret song so that these never get forgotten, but you have to know their action. Are you ready? M, map. Let's do it again. M, map. Way to go. Do it all by yourself. Whoa, your brain is working very hard. All right, let's look at these letters now. Every letter has two different types. It has an uppercase, which is the tall bears, and it has a lowercase, which is the short bears. And some of our lowercase letters are our hungry bears. This one is a tall bear, and this one is a short bear. This is uppercase M. What is it? Uppercase M. This is lowercase m. What is it? Lowercase m. Let's say it like a witch. Are you ready? A witch sounds like this. Are you ready? Uppercase M. Lowercase m. Try it by yourself. Wow, you worked so hard. Do you think you can help me sort these letters? I need to sort them in uppercase and lowercase. Let's get started. We are going to sort uppercase and lowercase letters. Can you get your letter sort ready? I have all my letters out. I'm going to sort them with uppercase M and lowercase m. I'm going to say their name and their sound. Can you do it with me? Uppercase M, mm. 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 Lowercase m, mm. Lowercase m, mm. Lowercase m, mm. Lowercase m, mm. Are you guys ready to write your letters? I am so excited. But before we do, I'm going to teach you a little song to help you remember how to write our letters. Are you guys ready to learn it? Okay, it goes like this. When I write my letters, start at the top, at the top. When I write my letters, start at the top, at the top. When I write my letters, practice makes it better. When I write my letters, start at the top. You guys have got it. So every single time that we write our letters, I want you to sing that song with me. Should we do it one more time so you have it? Let's do it. When I write my letters, start at the top, at the top. When I write my letters, start at the top, at the top. When I write my letters, practice makes it better. When I write my letters, start at the top. All right, we are gonna practice writing the letter M. So I want you guys to get your magical wands out because I don't know if you knew this, but your finger is a magical wand. Go ahead and grab it. Do you have it? Okay, let's do this. When we write a letter, we start at the top. You've got it. So we're going to practice writing the letter M. And the letter M is going to start at the skyline, which is the very top. And I'm going to start over here on this side. Are you guys ready? Start at the top. We're going to draw a line down to the grass line. Pick up my wand. Start at the skyline, go down to the mountain line, up to the skyline, and back down to the grass line. That is an uppercase M. Let's do it one more time. Start at the top, go down from the skyline, touch the grass line, pick up my magical wand, go down to the mountain line, up to the skyline, and down to the grass line. Pat yourself on the back. Let's do lowercase m. Lowercase m is not going to start all the way at the top. He's going to start at the mountain line. All right, that's that dotted line on your paper. We are going to start at the mountain line. We're going to go down to the grass line, up to the mountain line, down to the grass line, up to the mountain line, and down to the grass line. Let's do it one more time. Start at your mountain, down to the grass line, up to the mountain line, down to the grass line, up to the mountain line, and down to the grass line. Way to go. We are going to work with some sounds. What that means is we are going to use our mouth and our ears. Are you guys ready? I'm going to tell you a word. I want you to say that word, and then I want you to tap the sounds using your Sound Monster board. Say am. Tap the sounds. A. Did you get it? Say app. Tap the sounds. Now I'm going to tell you the sounds, and I want you to slide your sound monster across your board to say the word. At. At. Did you say at? Ack. Did you say ack? Way to go. You have learned all about the letter M. Can you do this page on your own? If you have finished that page on your own or with an adult and you are ready to color in the letter M, go ahead and color in M on your map. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.